please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Let's see, today it will only be a postponement, but here is HCL Tech.
For the year, continuing predictable and consistent track record of performance. In fiscal 18, our revenues grew 12.4% in reported currency and 10.5% in constant currency. Our Q4 revenues grew 2.5% in reported currency and 1.2% in constant currency. Our EBIT for FY18 stands at 19.7%, and for Q4 it's at 19.6%. Our Mode 2 revenues grew 29.4% in FY18 compared to FY17. Our Mode 3 revenues grew 68.3% in FY18 compared to FY17. In terms of deal wins and business momentum, we signed 15 transformational deals in Q4, representing a well-balanced mix of our services, geographies, and verticals. Overall, the deal wins for the full year stands at number 63 transformational deals in the financial year. Our Mode 2 and 3 services on a combined basis now constitutes 23.4% of our revenues, up from 18.6% from last year. In all our Mode 2 services, we continue to see expansion in deal sizes and the number of deals. Customers and our clients have moved on from proof of concepts and looking at projects which are innovative in nature to really scale digital programs, really bringing in the capabilities of all our service lines to a benefit of our clients. If you look at some proof points, we have over 500 clients for whom we deliver Mode 2 services today. And we have 26 customers with over $10 million of revenue in FY18, contributing to about 49% of our Mode 2 revenues in FY18. This is reflective of the number of deals and the scale of our next generation services. Our existing clients and the prospective clients are considering us to be a disruptive vendor in their scale digital journey to replace some of the traditional vendors. In Mode 3, we continue to invest in internal IP creation as well as build IP partnerships and also make strategic acquisitions. In this quarter, we filed 20 patents in various next-generation technologies and platforms, including artificial intelligence, automation, machine learning, data analytics, and simulation areas. In FY18, we filed a total number of patents was 75 patents. In FY18, we expanded our IP portfolio. We also launched our first wave of managed services edition of some of the products that we brought to the market. We continue to look at acquisition as an integral part of our growth strategy. Last month, we announced 2 acquisitions, C3I, which is a life sciences and consumer packaged goods customer engagement services provider, really to help us gain access to more vertical and niche capabilities in that segment. We also announced the acquisition of C3I, which is a hybrid data management provider, we signed a definitive agreement to acquire Actian along with Sumeru Equity Partners, again to help us evolve and continue to invest in some of the new technologies. In terms of our overall growth, our infrastructure services grew 2.5% quarter on quarter and 4.5% year on year. Our engineering and R&D services grew 1.7% quarter on quarter. In FY18, engineering services posted 37.6% overall growth, and this has been fueled by our engineering offerings, IP partnerships, and some of the acquisitions. Our application services degrew this quarter by 0.9%, but which is on a back of a good momentum over the last many quarters, and on an annual basis it grew 4.4%. Our BPO services grew 5.3% quarter on quarter and 0.9% year on year, largely driven by robotic process automation and digital ops engagements. We continue to, in terms of geographies, Americas degrew 0.7% quarter on quarter, but that's again on the back of a very strong growth over last many quarters, including in FY18 a growth of 13.8%. Europe grew 3.6% sequentially and 5% from a year-on-year perspective, and while rest of the world grew 8.1% quarter on quarter and 6% year-on-year.